In this video, I'm breaking down some fresh ideas and tools for making shingle roof replacement way less of a pain, especially when it comes to saving your back from all that bending over. So look, I've been through about a dozen roof jobs for pay back in the day, and yeah, roofing is still a beast on your body. The main killer is bending down constantly, which just wears you out fast, so I've been digging into new tool innovations that could actually make a difference. One cool thing I found is how cheap laser cut metal now lets you get small volume parts made without needing huge stamping setups, which means lighter, better tools at a lower cost. Then you've got these high capacity cordless drills that can handle way more work without the hassle of cords or crazy battery prices, perfect for roofing tasks that need power, but also freedom of movement. I'm also thinking about a clamping pitchfork with an improved handle design and an aluminum frame to cut down weight, so it's easier to use for longer stretches. Another wild idea is a nail power broom that sweeps up nails without bending or breaking them, though it still needs a catcher to grab the nails so they don't scatter everywhere. But the real game changer might be a vacuum truck to strip shingles. This thing could clear debris super fast and clean, no slipping hazards or nails left on the ground, which is huge for safety and cleanup. One of the biggest mistakes I see when folks try to upgrade their roofing tools is sticking too hard to traditional gear without testing new tech that could save their backs and time. People often overlook the importance of ergonomic design in tools, which can make or break how long you can work without feeling wrecked. Another common issue is underestimating how much cordless power tools have improved. If you're still using old drills or compressors with cords, you're losing efficiency and adding hassle. Lastly, not thinking about debris management leads to messy sites that slow you down and cause safety headaches. Something like that vacuum truck idea could seriously fix that problem. The fix here is simple. Be open to new innovations like laser cut parts and cordless gear, rethink tool design for comfort and weight, and invest in equipment that cleans as it works. BigHomeProjects.com is a solid spot if you're looking to link up with trusted local contractors who know their stuff and can help get your roofing done right. Plus, it's a great platform for contractors themselves to find new gigs without the usual hassle of hunting down clients.